Welcome to the Mind Behind the Machine, where we dive into the nuances of artificial intelligence. Today, we'll break down what AI really is and how it challenges our very notion of intelligence.
I'm really excited about this discussion. So, AI isn't just about robots, right? It's all about the cognitive processes we attribute to humans.
Exactly. It's like we're building machines that not only mimic how we think, but also potentially adapt, learn, and, even evolve.
Absolutely. And that brings us to the tricky question. What defines intelligence? Is it just pattern recognition or problem solving? Or do you think it extends to creativity and emotion too?
Well, it's complex. It's not only about solving puzzles, but also about truly understanding the world. It's like we're not just building mere tools. We're crafting entities that could one day reflect our own human strengths and our flaws.
Right, that's a key point. Speaking of strengths, most AI today is what we call narrow AI, like Siri or ChatGPT. They're super specialized. But then there's the idea of general AI. That would be a machine capable of thinking across different domains.
Yeah, that's a huge leap. Narrow AI is impressive, but general AI, that's where machines truly mimic our own flexible thinking. It's like comparing a calculator to, a whole brain.
Yeah, I follow you. But here's something I'd like to challenge a bit. Do you think general AI is realistically in our near future, or is it more of a long-term aspiration?
It's definitely more on the horizon, in my view. While narrow AI is here to stay, general AI implies understanding context and nuance, something many argue might be a bit too futuristic.
I see your point. And then we hit the moral dilemmas, like, should AI have rights? Or, how do we address inherent biases that come from their training data?
Yes, like the saying, bias in, bias out. We've got to consider that the machine can reflect our own imperfections. It raises huge ethical questions.
Absolutely, that's something we cannot ignore. Not to mention the future of AI in our lives. Are we looking at a scenario where AI becomes a friend, or could it eventually turn into, a potential foe?
Precisely. Whether it's in education, healthcare, or even warfare, AI's role is expanding. And as we develop these systems, we need to ask not just if AI will change our lives, but rather how responsibly we guide that change.
Right, guiding responsibly is key. So, wrapping this up, it's kind of, a reminder that AI isn't solely a technological challenge. It mirrors our human values and dilemmas.
Exactly. And it's a call to deeply understand ourselves, our goals, our fears, and our ethics. Thanks for tuning in to this deep dive into the mind behind the machine. Stay curious, and we'll catch you next time.
Yep, stay curious.